Happy Monday, everyone. This is the beginning of week 12 out of our 16 weeks, and the semester is really going fast now. So this week for your media, I want you to be directing your own reading in relation to your research topic. So you should be using the library resources that you located and really digging into the topic and thinking about the kinds of resources that you want to use to build a convincing argument. So the first thing that we're going to be talking about this week, and we'll spend some time in class talking about this more, is the statement of the problem. This week I really want you focused on what problem it is that you're addressing in your research, and the time you spend right now thinking about that problem is going to help you focus your essay and write a better product. The same is true about your purpose statement, which will be due on Friday. So you'll be writing both the statement of the problem and the purpose statement this week with hopes of refining your topic and helping you to organize a better piece. So I'm looking forward to seeing you all in class tomorrow. Make sure you bring some good information about your topic that you're ready to talk about. See you tomorrow.